What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Today we are going to be working on this 2024 Yamaha R7. We are going to be doing bunch of modifications. So first of all, we are going to start off with the full exhaust system. And before I start the exhaust and doing all the modification, I would take you guys outside and have you guys hear how the bike sounds. I also have a Yamaha MT-07, so it's pretty much same engine and has a full exhaust, so I can have you guys hear the sound on that one too, before and after, and compare the sound from the Yoshimura full exhaust system versus the Akrapovic, see which one sounds better. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and hear the bike. Alright guys, so these two bikes, if you guys know, this is the same exact engine. So this is also a CP2 inline 2, and that's also CP2 inline 2. So let's hear this one a little bit, get an idea how it is going to sound, even though his full system is going to be a Yoshimura and this one is Akrapovic. See what's inside the box. There's the exhaust can. Yoshimura, made in USA. Alright guys, so the exhaust is complete. So as you guys can see, it looks really good. I have took me about hour and a half. I only took one side of the fairing, and the fitment is really good actually, not bad. So let's hear the sound. Alright, let's see. Sounds good. Fitment is really nice. Let's complete the rest of the mod. Alright guys, so all the modifications are done. Took me a couple hours. We got the Yoshimura full exhaust. Sounds pretty good. And we did fender eliminator. So rage cycle indicators. And some frame sliders. Let's see the turn signal. Pretty good. Looks much cleaner. Looks nice. Alright, so let's turn it on and see how it sounds, and then I will go out for a ride, and that will be a separate video. So I'll go out for a ride and then see how it feels on the road and how it sounds. So if you guys want to watch the next, if you want to see the riding video, feel free to subscribe. Alright, let's turn it on. Sounds nice. Oh, and the huge windscreen. All blacked out, pure windscreen. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.